So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 8 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic miracles. So this video will be about exorcism. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the disciples of Jesus were not able to heal the boy who had a dumb spirit because A. They had not prayed enough. B. The spirit refused to obey them. C. The boy was already dead. D. They had no faith. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. They had not prayed enough. So if you go through the book of Mark chapter 9 verse 14 to 29, you would see this story, particularly when the Bible mentioned that the disciples were not able to cast out the spirit because they had not prayed enough. And then Jesus himself also specifically said that this type does not go except by prayer and fasting. So they had not prayed enough. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. We have here question number 2. It says, when the man with an unclean spirit in the region of the Gerasenes saw Jesus, he A. pleaded that a miracle be performed to cleanse him. B. pleaded to be cast into the abyss. C. acknowledged him as the Son of the Most High. D. requested to follow him as a disciple. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. He acknowledged him as the Son of the Most High. So let's proceed to the next question, guys. We have here question number 3. It says, in the country of the Gerasenes, Jesus healed the A. man possessed of demons, B. leper, C. paralytic at the pool, D. blind man. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. That's man possessed of demons. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next, guys. We have here question number 4. It says, at the country of the Gerasenes, Jesus A. raised Jairus' daughter from the dead. B. raised the widow's son from the dead. C. healed the man who had demons. D. healed the centurion's servant. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. He healed the man who had demons. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Here we have question number 5. It says here, I adjure you by God, do not torment me. What is the significance of this statement? A. The demons did not like Jesus, and so they cursed him. B. The demons wanted to reach an agreement with Jesus. C. It is a recognition of the fact that demons are subject to Jesus. D. It shows that demons hate Jesus. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. It is a recognition of the fact that demons are subject to Jesus. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 6. It says, after the healing of the demonic in the country of the Gerasenes, the people begged Jesus to A. stay with them, B. heal their sick, C. go away from them, D. visit them always. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Go away from them. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. We have here question number 7, and it says, what have you to do with us, O Son of God? Have you come here to torment us before the time? This statement reveals that the demoniacs in the country of the Gadarenes, A. come to them at that time, B. wanted to question Jesus' authority, C. were threatened by the power of Jesus, D. recognize the supreme power of Jesus. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. They recognize the supreme power of Jesus. So that's it for this question. So let's check out the next and last question for this video, guys. So over here we have question number 8 of 8. It says, in Mark, Jesus said that the unclean spirits could only be cast out through A. faith, B. prayer, C. the Holy Spirit, D. fasting. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's prayer. So that's it for this question. And this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examination. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.